Namaste, everyone, and positive thoughts in this system of things. My name is Lee Carter, and I wanted to speak to you about manifesting, with the law of attraction. And are you seeing numbers and basically what it is the universe is trying to tell you? Now, I know that, looking back on 2008, I went through a uh, spiritual transformation and basically had a big spiritual awakening, and I mentioned in my first book, Inner Child Elisa, I spoke about seeing numbers. I remember seeing the number 1111 on a bus clock uh, on a on, on a bus going from Guadalajara, driving all the way to basically Cancun in Mexico. And I was working out there on a placement, going from homelessness to Hertfordshire. I was going through major changes in my life, going through transformation and so forth, going from Lisa to Lee. And, many people today are seeing numbers everywhere, more than ever, basically. And these numbers have a meaning, depending on the journey that you're on. And they have a purpose to your life. So it could be the message that you've been waiting for to attract basically exactly what you desire into your life. So, and please, can you please subscribe to this channel, so it can reach out to more people all over the world, okay? So if you've been seeing these numbers in your life, numbers such as 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, on the journey, looking back on my journey and my experiences, I wrote about this being synchronicities in my book. But I didn't. Or is it a coincidence that you are seeing these numbers? Um, and the book was published back in 2016. So, when I look back on the changes in my life and the opportunities that were there, you know, do you think seeing these numbers is a coincidence? Well, during that time, I saw lots of sightings of UFOs. I've had lots of paranormal experiences, being open to the spirit world more than ever. And it can be seen that I was seeing these numbers at the time of more turbulence in the world. People may be seeing this now. Um, I don't think it's a coincidence, basically, seeing these numbers. Um, I feel the universe is based on maths and it has geometric patterns, and I think it's a universal language that these numbers represent patterns and mathematics, and this to me can be considered as a universal language. So these numbers actually mean something. So the fact that you're seeing these numbers, such as 111, 222, 333, 444, even 1234, and if you're seeing it repetitively, I feel that it's an indication that something or someone is trying to get a message across to you. So I do believe that trying to reach out to your subconscious, your subconscious might basically shake you up. So, just shake you up a bit to take action, basically, in order for you to realise that you're the direction that you want, basically, and that's, it's the right direction, and right, and this is important. This is what I believe, looking back on my experiences, working abroad in Mexico and all the other events that have happened in my life, that have taken place with the journey that I'm on, and I do believe that it's a message that's been given to you at that time. So I'm going to discuss this in part 2 of the podcast, and the meaning of these numbers, and I'm going to say bye for now, keep shining, shiny people, love and light, and namaste.